Some cool tips about Arabic verbs. So in the past tense, the I form and the you masculine in Arabic are conjugated exactly the same. What do I mean by that? So to say I ate, you would say ana akalt. Ana is I, akalt is ate. To say you masculine ate, if you're talking to a guy, you would say inta. As we know, inta is you masculine. Inta akalt. Why this is really cool is because using the 5 W's that we learned, who, what, when, where, and why on this page, you can find that, you can start asking questions and putting together proper sentences only with this combination. For example, what did you eat? Shu akalt, talking to someone. Where did you eat? When akalt. Tamam? Why did you eat? Lesh akalt, but you don't have to really ask that. Shu akalt, when akalt, where did you eat? Super common. Follow for more. Let me know if you have any questions. See you in the next one.